I'm Ashley Coburn and I am an intern here at ALB. A typical day for me, usually I do a lot of mail. I help the paralegals kind of sort out the mail, send it out to the attorneys. This summer we've been doing a lot of organizing of all of the storage rooms, kind of just making everything more neat, and just a lot of kind of helping everyone around the office with whatever they need. Sometimes we do bank runs, just anything that anyone really needs some assistance with. We go to court. I get to watch lawyers, which is always really interesting. Sometimes they've had me kind of bring in the documents, kind of push it around, which is also really fun. So there's just a lot going on. I would say the firm is really close. It's a lot closer than I thought a law firm would be. Everyone here is really, really nice. I remember my first week, I was really nervous. And I just came in my first day. It was really scary. I didn't know what to expect. But everyone here was just really nice, super inviting. Everyone is always just always there for you. You really feels like a nice tight-knit family, a nice community. It's just somewhere really, everyone here is really positive, and it's just a really nice place to be. It's a really healthy work environment. I would say one of my favorite days was definitely the second time I went to court. The first time I went, I was bringing documents, and it was the case didn't really get seen. It was kind of just a lot of moving parts. But the second time I went to court, it was really concise. We went in, I got to see an oral argument for the first time, and it was just really interesting to just see how the lawyers negotiate with the opposing counsel, and how they kind of get their points across to the judge. So that was super interesting, especially since I'm really interested in law for my future. So it kind of just gave me a sneak peek of what to expect going forward and at other law firms and in court. So I thought that was a really fun day. I would say Adam is very passionate about his work, and it makes you want to be passionate. You can definitely tell he loves what he does, and he is really, really passionate about real estate law. And Adam is always encouraging everyone to kind of just make sure that everything is done, always find work to do, kind of just keep yourself busy, just because there's so many moving parts to a law firm, and it really inspires everyone to kind of just keep going, really push through. And yeah, I would say he's really encouraging of you can do it, there's always something to do, and that there's just so many moving things at a law firm, there's never a dull moment. I would definitely say go for it. It's a lot of fun. I've definitely had a great time this summer, and I would definitely come back. Everyone here is really nice and really inviting, and they don't just throw you in the deep end. I spent a lot of time my first couple weeks kind of just watching the paralegals and assistants and everyone watch them do their work, and they kind of train you on a small scale because you're only here for a limited amount of time, but you definitely don't get thrown in the deep end. They kind of ease you into projects, and they're really understanding, and it's just a really good firm culture, and the work is really interesting when you get to read the cases and go to court and see all these things. I would definitely suggest that if you are interested in law or you're interested in doing an internship, that ALB is a great place to start.